Hey guys, welcome back. We got another DSR Farms video today, and I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect steak every time. Watch this. So I'm starting with these fillets that I cut off of this tenderloin a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen that video, there's a card right here. You can check that out and come right back. I'm going to start by tying these steaks up just to give them a little bit of shape, and some of these are so tender that I feel like they would fall apart during cooking if I didn't. This is probably not the best way to tie these, but I just do an overhand loop knot and then wrap the string around the steak and then pull it back through the loop and tie it off so I can get it really tight. Next, I've got these on a rack so that air can get under and over all of them. We're going to dry brine these in the fridge, and we're just going to hit them with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. They need to go at least overnight, but if you're having steak for breakfast, please find me on my social medias and let me know so I can come over. But I'm doing a 24-hour brine on these. And when they come out of the fridge, you can tell already they're just super dry on the outside. The salt has penetrated all the way through. And we're just going to pop these in a 275-degree oven and let them slowly come up to temperature. Here we are 15 minutes in, and I checked one of the bigger steaks and one of the smaller steaks, and they're both right at 100. And so what we're shooting for is about 15 degrees less than our target temperature, because it'll come up to temperature as we sear. I just kept an eye on them about every 5 minutes. I would check them again, and I got it up to 115, which should be a perfect medium rare. And this is a great way to cook a ton of steaks exactly the same. So if everyone wants rare steaks, go to 110 or so, medium rare 115, and then anything past that, don't invite people over to your house to eat steak. I've got a couple of tablespoons of bacon grease that's already hot in this pan. I'm going to throw a couple of tablespoons of butter in here, and that may seem like a lot, but you want enough that it touches the entire surface of the steak on there and maybe rolls up just a little bit. These are going to cook up really fast on medium-high heat, and it's probably 45 seconds aside. And once you get both sides seared, just let them rest for about 10 minutes and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.